Welcome friends in our part 4 of how to use the Teach-Pendent of Panasonic Robot. Today we discussed input numerical values and characters. Input numerical values. The number entry box appears when you click an entry box. You need to input a numerical value. Use the L shift key or R shift key to switch the digit of the value. Second, jog up down to change the numerical value. Third, press the enter key to close the window and save the number you have entered. Fourth, press the cancel key to close the window without saving the number you have entered. You can see the image, cursor, left right shift key and enter, cancel. Now next is input characters. The character entry box is displayed. To enter characters, the function icons are changed to the character entry icons. All these icons are shown in this image. Function key, function of the corresponding function icon. First backspace, second not in use, third not in use, fourth to input uppercase letters, fifth to input lowercase letters, sixth to input numbers, seventh to input symbols, eighth not in use. You can see all these function keys in this image. See friends, uppercase A, lowercase a, numbers 1 2 3, symbols, question mark, comma, entry box, Panasonic, here character. Now next is SP space BS backspace delete a character, L shift R shift key to move the cursor in the character entry box, entry key to close the character entry box after saving characters you have entered, cancel key to close the character entry box without saving characters you have entered. Now next is memory level check. Refer to the following procedure to check the available memory space in the controller. With the system list screen, move the cursor to controller and then click the jog dial. Then the memory level free memory space appears in the bottom of the right window. You can see the memory level in this image. Note here, if a memory card has been inserted into the Teach-Pendent, click either SD memory or USB memory, then memory level of the memory card is displayed. You can see in this image system list and file list. System, controller, USB memory. Here file name proc 0001 2 KB, file size means proc 0002 1 KB, proc 0003 1 KB, proc 0004 1 KB, proc 0005 1 KB. Original position is also 1 KB and free memory space 1506.63 KB. Next is how to get the version information. To check the robot software version, click the version icon. This is the version icon friends. You can see here, this is the version icon. So friends, here we discussed some main important information about the Teach-Pendent of Panasonic Robot. Further information we discussed in our next video. Till then, stay safe and take care, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get such more informations daily.